Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. First off, I wanted to address the FUD. Seems to be a lot of FUD going on about Kaspa. A lot of people turning their backs or saying Kaspa is going to crash. Kaspa's over. We told you Kaspa was going to go down. This, that, and the third. So first, let me look at this article here. How Kaspa's superior technology could dethrone Ethereum. So on coinmarketcap.com, they're talking about Kaspa and how Kaspa emerges from a decade of meticulous research and development spearheaded by the esteemed Jonathan Saminsky and Ariel Zahara. It's not merely a cryptocurrency, but a manifestation of advanced blockchain technology aiming to elevate Nakamoto's proof of work algorithm by leveraging BlockDAG. This technology not only accelerates the chain by over tenfold, but also boosts current speed that is 15 times faster than Ethereum. Let me read that again. A current speed that is 15 times faster than Ethereum with further optimization aims to achieve approximately 100 blocks per second per hashtag. A fair and decentralized launch. Casper prides itself on its fair launch, mirroring Bitcoin, and it is devoid of pre-mine or IOC activities. Its decentralized, efficient emission schedule sets the stage where every participant is treated equally. And it goes on to talk about the embarking on Satoshi's vision as a true embodiment of Satoshi Nakamoto's original version of peer-to-peer electric cash system. So first off, with Kaspa, the aim was to be a faster transaction, scalable and secure, and also to build upon the Satoshi Nakamoto's vision of peer-to-peer electric cash system. So the system was originally designed to be a faster transaction processing, of which it is faster than Ethereum. Technology proves and innovates. Kaspa's technology might deeply rooted in innovation protocols, the GHOSTDAG protocol. An evolved version of the GHOSTDAG protocol emulates the security robustness of POW with the operation efficiency of a proof of stake. The evolution is credited to Kaspa's founder, which is contemplated the original GHOSTDAG protocol that Ethereum presently utilizes. Kaspa cited in Ethereum white papers in 2016. Read that again. Kaspa cited in the Ethereum white papers in 2016, highlighting the substantial contribution to the blockchain technology landscape. Cas further propels forward the DAGKNIGHT, which is the most secure, fastest evolution of the already efficient GHOSTDAG, required fewer confirmation security, scalable scaling naturally and progress the internet speed, eliminating the need for hard forks. Kaspa's GHOSTDAG emerges a security POW with the efficiency of POS and the evolution of Ethereum's GHOSTDAG protocol. DAGKNIGHT adapts the internet speed, requires fewer confirmation security, and scales naturally, making it an advancement for GHOSTDAG. So from this information, it's comparing Kaspa to Ethereum, and it's saying it's faster. So there's a lot of people saying that Kaspa is going to get down to 1 cent or 0 cent, and that's not true. Don't listen to fudders, which are people that got in late or never wanted Kaspa to succeed anyway. Trust's application of blockchain has been amplified by Solana. another prominent blockchain platform. SOL has harnessed Rust's capability to achieve remarkable transaction speed, processing thousands of transactions per second. In context, Kaspa's integration with Rust opened doors to a thriving future ecosystem with a myriad of applications like DeFi applications, stable coins, blockchain gaming, and NFT revolution. So there's a lot of usefulness in Kaspa that no one's talking about. Keep in mind, Kaspa's only been around for a year, maybe a year and a half. So there's a lot of people talking about Kaspa that really don't know much about Kaspa. So this article is Benzaga, and it's saying cryptocurrency Kaspa is down more than 3% in the last 24 hours, and that was yesterday. And it's saying, see if this plays here.
Gaps cut in the border fence into Israel over the course of a few hours. Hamas used deceptive tactics. It's been
Okay, so that's not a Casper article. So Caspa is currently down more than 3% in the last 24 hours. Over the past 24 hours, Caspa's KAS USD has fallen 3.78% to 4 cents. This continues a negative trend over the past week as it experienced a 11% loss, moving from zero point 0.0 to its current price. The chart below compares movement of volatility for Caspa in the past 24 hours to its price movement over the past week. The gray bands are Bollinger Bands, measuring the volatility for both the daily and weekly movement. The wider bands are larger gray areas given the movement of volatility. And you can see it did go down and came up a little bit, and that was the past 24 hours. And for the past week, it's been down a lot and came up. Casper trading volume has climbed 52% over the past week, along with circulating supply of coins, which has decreased 0.85, bringing the circulating supply to 21 billion, which makes the estimated 73.6 of its max supply of 28.7 billion, according to our data. Casperly current ranks 44 at 994 million market cap. So the market cap is still there. People are selling, but for the bulk, people are still here. So I don't know why there's a lot of negativity about Caspa, and there's a lot of Caspa's going down and Caspa's failing. With Caspa's price, right? Eventually it has to come down. If you look at the chart, right? This is the past month. Well, let's go to the past year. It can't be at the top the whole time, right? It's got to come down for us to pick it up. And if you can see here, there was low price movement. It came up March, January, February, in March, and it went all the way up to what is this 0.038 in April. And then it came down and consolidated, and it went for an all-time high in August. Then it came down again, consolidated, and went to a new all-time high. So it's coming down again for us to pick it up, right? A lot of fudders are saying it's going to get down to 1 cent, 2 cent. And if you can see, it's holding steady at 0.042. If it gets down to 3 cents, that's understandable. But under 3, I would be very shocked. And there was a lot of people saying that, oh, it's coming down. I'm going to buy it now. And it doesn't look like they're buying it. So, first off, keep in mind, some of the people that are telling you this just want the price to come down so they can buy it. There's a lot of entities and large companies that want to get in cheap. So they're going to drive the price down as much as they can and then pick it up there and watch it go back up. There's nothing here that says Kaspa is going to go down or go out of business or stay out of business. And keep in mind, there's also some volatility involved because a lot of the Kaspa developers are in Israel. And what's going on in the world and the problems that's happening in Israel, right, between the different factions warring about the land there. I'm not going to go into full detail because it's kind of taking us off topic. So, to stick to the topic, I like this posting from the Kaspa Army and it's saying when the picture comes back up, to just relax and keep cool, right? We're expecting the price to go down at some point. Nothing keeps going up and up and up. Even Bitcoin pulled back at some point. So if you're thinking Caspa's gone or Caspa's dead because you're listening to Futters, stick to the Caspa army and stay focused. So to all Caspa fam and holders, if you believe this project, please do not overdo it when the price goes up or when the price goes down. Stay calm, relax, and trust the process because everything in access is not good. Don't look like an unstable child, but every post of yours is part of us. Do positive things that will be much better and useful for us together. Let's build a community as an adult community. So, with that said, just hang in there, guys. Things are going to happen. The price is going to go up and down. And there's a lot of people putting a lot of faith in technicals. And if you know Casper, have been following the project, it's not following the typical technical movements, right? A lot of people are talking about retracement and prices dropping and people are dropping it. And it's not going to follow the technicals. If you know anything about crypto, I've been in crypto for a while, and crypto as a whole generally doesn't follow the technicals, right? There's a lot of people about, oh, the technicals are right, the technicals are wrong, the prices got to drop. There's a lot of variables involved in crypto, right? This is not my first time at the rodeo. I've seen Bitcoin go from 70,000 to 27,000, right? I've seen Bitcoin in the beginning. A lot of people were saying Bitcoin was a bad investment. Don't waste your money with Bitcoin. Don't buy Bitcoin. And now look at all those people that were naysaying Bitcoin. So here's another post from the Kaspa Maxi. Before you fall for FUD, check this out. The Kaspa slash Bitcoin cart. After, see if we can get a close up of this. After the recent cup and handle breakout above the handle and the downward channel, we've retested the top of the channel. This also happens to be perfectly aligned with April's previous all-time high support. And if you can see the price, here's the cup and there's the handle, and the price does come down and went back up. So don't panic yet, right? Don't panic at all. Just be patient. And Caspa will come back, right? This is not the first time we've seen Caspa dip. It's not going to be the last time. This is Django. Caspa's down 10%. So I took the opportunity to sell the last of my Ethereum and put into Caspa, which is not financial advice. But a lot of people are buying Caspa while it's down. And why do you think they're buying it? You think this is because they don't believe in the project? Either you believe in the project or you don't. You know, I'm not here to preach to you guys or make you a believer. But the people that are bullish on Caspa are going to keep holding. The strength in Caspa is there's a lot of retail investors and a lot of investors that have Caspa and been holding it since they first got it. Honestly, should have sold all my Ethereum a long time ago, but I own zero and I'm not looking back. Kaspa is now my second biggest holding after Bitcoin. And this is Marwan. I don't even know how to say last. I'm not going to mess his last name up. Trend, Kaspa uptrend. Let's make a new all-time high at 14 cents soon. Don't forget, we're still in the beginning and our goal is $1. And yes, I do agree with him. The goal for Kaspa has been to get to $1 or 90 cents or 10 cents. So we're now at the 4.5 and people are panicking, right? Look at how far down it was, 20 cents or 2 cents and 1 cent, and it's not going down that far. So for all the naysayers and the fudders, get a life, right? Worry about your own project. Don't come over here hating on Casper. And let's see what else we got here. The hash rate is up to almost 50 petahash. And if you're a miner like myself, Black Tiger Miner, or if you're in Caspa, you should know that the hash rate goes up, so will the price, just like Bitcoin did. Why do you think the hash rate is still going up? If people weren't involved or people weren't serious about the project, you will start seeing the hash rate going down, which means people are turning off miners or turning off GPUs and stop mining. So for the reason that people are still mining, that should give you a lift up there by itself. And also keep in mind, Casper's not even on a major exchange yet, right? This is just from the small exchanges that it's on. And this is Kaspa News. Kaspa is the only real digital silver. Kaspa is scalable. Kaspa is secure. Kaspa is decentralized. Kaspa is a fair launch. Kaspa is fast. Kaspa is portable. And Kaspa is transparent. And here are the 6 Kaspa principles. First, it's the fastest transactions. 2 is the block dialogue we talked about earlier. 3 is scalability. 4, it's instant confirmation, which is rare among cryptocurrencies. 5 is security, and 6 is the effective of proof of work. So don't panic, and remember to join the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page because we're pushing out updates, trying to keep you guys on track of what's going on with Kaspa. So this is the Kaspa Live Coin Watch. Live Coin Watch says at 0.042, market cap is 889 million. Volume is 18.4 million. Volume versus cap is 2%. In the last hour, we're down 0.56%. Last 24 hours, we're down 0.43%. Last 7 days, we're down 14.7%. And if you can see, Bitcoin's down and Ethereum's down. So people were saying, why is Kaspa down? Why is Kaspa down? I saw a video and the guy was just going crazy about Kaspa being down. And he was saying the market's down. And somebody was saying, no, we're actually why Kaspa's down. Kaspa is not independent of the market. Just because it's been up above the market doesn't mean it's going to stay there. At some point, it's going to have to fall in with the regular prices and the overall crypto market. So when the crypto market goes down, Kaspa will go down. Just relax, guys. Take a break, get out for a walk, get some exercise, and wait. Kaspa is going to be a long-term investment. It's not going to go to $1 million overnight, right? It's a slow process. And I have been seeing people talking about Caspa might get to $20 or $25 in the bull run. And here you guys are whining about 4 cents or 3 cents. If it goes to $1 or $5, you're going to look back at this moment and be like, I should have bought more Caspa. I should have been listening to these guys about it's going to go to 2 cent or 1 cent. You get DCA in, which is dollar cost average, and buy as it goes down because we all know it's going to come back up. So for the past 30 days, it's up 6.47%. Past 90 days is up 59.1%. And for the year, it's up 1,684. And compare this to Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's up the most in the last year. And the last year has been bearish. A lot of cryptocurrencies are down 80%, 90%, 50%, and Kaspa is up. That should tell you a whole lot. So circulating supply is 21 billion. Total supply is 21 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Market cap is 889 million. Last 24 hours, the 24-hour low is 0.040. 24-hour high is 0.043. And if you can look, we are above the 24-hour low. So it didn't bottom out. It's going up and down. So just calm down, guys. And then for CoinMarketCap says for the year, it was up 1,147. And the last day, it's down 0.27% to 0.043. Market cap is down 0.14% to 892 million. 24-hour volume is down 3.93% to 20 million. So overall, the numbers aren't bad, right? They're not great, but some of you guys are just, well, there's a lot of YouTubers that are just flooding Kaspa. For what reason, I don't know. So just stay calm and continue to hold, right? Remember, Kaspa. We didn't come this far to just come this far, right? We're going to come back to a new all-time high in October. I told you that in September, nobody believed me. I told you that in August, nobody believed me. I've been telling you this all year, and everyone's like, you know what you're talking about. You're not looking at the technicals. I don't need the technicals. I know that this is a solid project, and things are going to get better. So just calm down, guys. Remember, Kaspa. Total supply is 21 billion. Max supply is 27.8 billion. And fully diluted market cap is 1.2 billion. And if you've been following my videos, this fully diluted market cap has been above a billion for almost 2-3 months now. So with this said, it's not going to just fall off the face of the earth, right? Why Kaspa may unseat Bitcoin despite speed claims. So people are saying Kaspa is going to dethrone Ethereum and might dethrone Bitcoin. That's kind of bullish, but it's still going to be in top 10, right? Just keep an eye on it. And when it does hit the top 10, remember who told you. I want to see a lot of comments about what do you think about Kaspa? Where do you think Kaspa is going? And what do you think their overall price will be when the bull run starts? And keep in mind, Kaspa has not been on a major exchange yet. So just think, when it does hit a major exchange, the price is going to take off. So for CoinGecko, Kaspa's rank is 46, so it went down 2 places from 44. They're saying the price is 0.020. It's down 4.9%. Bitcoin's down 2%. Market cap is 873 million. Circuit supply is 21 billion. Total supply is 21 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Fully diluted evaluation is 1.1 billion. Right? We're still in the billions, guys. And let's go for CoinGecko. And remember, CoinGecko, you guys been here the whole time. So if you're looking for someone to help promote you guys in your YouTube, Black Tiger Miner's here for you. And Black Tiger Miner has been supporting CoinGecko the entire time because we appreciate what you're doing with Kaspa and how you're reporting the numbers. Not sure about CoinMarketCap or Live Coin Watch about their ranking, but we know for sure you guys are getting it right. So big shout out to CoinGecko. So for a 24-hour low is 0.041, 24-hour high is 0.0443. 7-day low is 0.0417. 7-day high is 0.050. Trading volume is 21 million. Market cap rank is 46. Market cap is 873 million. And all-time high is 0.0538. And we're down 22.41%. and that was September 20th, 2023, 22 days ago. So almost a month ago. And the all-time low is 0.000171, and we're up 24,003% from that, and that was May 26, 2022, so over a year ago. So we've been holding steady above that 0.04, and that was the all-time high. I mean, the all-time low. Things are going good for Kaspa. Just don't listen to these fudders and don't fall victim to a lot of this negative talk about Kaspa. A lot of these guys are telling you one thing and doing something completely different, right? So just remember, Black Tiger Miners here for Kaspa, right? We ain't going nowhere. Even if it bottomed out, we're still going to be holding Kaspa. We're still going to be making Kaspa videos, and the Kaspa army will still be strong. But when it does take off, I don't want all these people coming back like, oh, yeah, we told you the whole time. We were wrong. We didn't know. We wasn't sure Casper was going to bounce back. I don't want to hear it. I only want to hear positive Casper information. And give some shout outs when you do put your comments of who's holding and how long you've been holding. This is Black Tiger Miner saying, remember, Casper, Casper, Casper. Big shout out to CoinGecko, and let's get back to the money, guys.